Hey guys, welcome back to JFXT Forex trading tutorials. And man, I'm just humbled by your love on our first video, and we shall learn more on how to make money out of this Forex market. Today we are going to learn on how Forex came to be, that is on the birth of Forex trading or the history of Forex. And to understand this better, I'm going to take you through from the first ever trading system that existed, which is known as the barter trade. The barter trade system existed because there was no money nor currency to use. Those people exchanged goods and services such as salt, skills, talents, and even people for goods and services. With time, the barter trade system was abandoned and the commodities exchange began, where people started trading units of commodities such as shells, rice, barley, stones, and precious metals such as gold and silver, which were more valuable. The coinage system was then born, and this was quickly adopted by nations and gave people a way to participate in foreign exchange manually. The paper money was then developed by Chinese, which started as IOU notes from the private institutions, which in today's market we term them as banks. The paper money was issued in exchange for holding gold and silver. All the currencies were pegged to gold. This resulted to mass printing of paper notes, and not being backed by an actual gold, countries came together to create the first monetary trading system, which would be of preference to all the countries. 44 countries came together when the World War II devastated many European countries to create the Bretton Woods system in 1944. As the time passed by, countries agreed to peg their currency to the United States dollar. In 1994, the first currency was traded digitally for the first time. This was the birth of online Forex market, which was adopted quickly as people would make money much faster. Now that you understand the history of Forex and how it continues to grow in the today's world, we have various commodities or items that are traded, which includes currencies, metals such as gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, that is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. We have various participants that do engage in the Forex trading. The first and the largest is the commercial banks, which are often regarded as the market makers. They control the majority of the world's money, which heavily influences the market movement. The second largest participant are the central banks, which hold a big reserve of the domestic currency. Central bank controls various factors such as the monetary policies and interest rates. The third largest traders are the large international companies, which are known as the multinational corporations. These are big companies doing business in the international markets. This leads to exchange of different currencies in large quantities. The fund managers such as hedge funds and forex brokers are the fourth, as they do the manipulation of the spreads and rates that directly affect the last bunch of retail traders. The retail traders comprises of small businesses and individuals who trade their own money, and this is basically our category. I hope you've enjoyed this video as I did when making it. And once again, don't forget to hit that subscription button, like, share, and turn on that notification bell to be notified when we shall be releasing our next video, which is how to use TradingView.
Thank you. Keep in touch.